Acumatica Professional Services Edition provides the best business management solution for digitally resilient companies. Built for mobile and telework scenarios and easily integrated with the collaboration tools of your choice, Acumatica delivers flexibility, efficiency, and continuity of operations to growing small and mid-market professional services firms. Transform your organization with a modern professional services platform designed for architects, engineers, consultants, and IT services companies. Acumatica Professional Services Edition helps you gain a complete view of all project details, including issues, changes, and costs. Automate workflows with real-time project costing, including projected versus actual costs, and flexible milestone billing. Ensure resources are available and allocate staff and equipment for each project. Capture time and expenses for all resources needed. Costs flow directly into the project budget. Leverage powerful financials with customizable workflows. No-code reporting tools give project visibility. And manage client opportunities, proposals, contracts, payments, and renewals in one central location. Acumatica provides a modern experience for every employee with a best-in-class cloud platform for professional service firms in varied industry segments, such as architects and engineers, consulting services, software and technology, and all other project-centric business and professional service industries. Comprehensive resource management features support professional services firms with allocation, time and expense management, and project scheduling. Streamline planning, projects, financials, and services with a complete professional services platform. Start project plans with estimates, proposals, and budget forecasts, including planned versus actual job costing. Embedded CRM tracks documents, client communications, and activities throughout the project's lifecycle. Acumatica Project Management connects field and office staff, enabling them to account for project updates. Project accounting features include automated workflows, mobile time and expense management, and comprehensive change control. Robust financial features include cash management, deferred and recurring revenue, milestone billing, and integrated payments. Embedded CRM allows users to keep detailed records of contracts, support cases, compliance documentation, and appointments. Acumatica is built on a modern cloud platform with open APIs and robust customization tools. Project management features that support the professional services industry empower users to know what's happening across your organization with role-based dashboards. Drive project success with live data and drill downs to detailed transactions such as revised estimates by project, commitments, and change orders. Easily tailor reports to monitor project costs and resource utilization. Transform your business with tangible benefits for employees and clients. Boost productivity with powerful dashboards, real-time project analytics, and mobility. Reduce overhead and project costs with budget efficiencies and workflow automation. Thrill your clients with flexible billing and payment options and CRM to improve client relationships. Automate project billing, contract and compliance renewals, and support case workflows. Maximize resource utilization, time and expense management, and scheduling. Optimize time in the field with streamlined collaboration tools that update back-office staff in real time. Discover why Acumatica is rated highest in usability and how leaders transform their businesses with automation on a mobile, adaptable, and extendable platform.
Safety Management Group is a professional services company. We have 220 team members. We provide services to the construction, healthcare, utilities, manufacturing, pharmaceutical industry.
As an owner of the business, it's really nice to see the dashboards, to understand where you're sitting from an age receivable standpoint, where your cash flow's at.
It's a much more efficient process versus me asking, hey, can you run me this report or that report? I can see utilization right at my fingertips. It just kind of tells the story of how we're doing with respect to our clients.
Without the Acumatica solution, we would have been in a world of hurt as it related to our timekeeping, our accounting processes. We didn't really miss a beat.
We were able to save about $50,000 just out of the gate. That's just licensing, right? And that doesn't even consider the fact that had we stayed in the legacy software, we probably would have had to add a person.
Acumatica helps us become more efficient through time and expense management, the accounting, and then tying the CRM into all of that.
M3 Technology Group was founded in 2002 with just 3 employees. Today we're up to 115 employees over 4 different branches throughout the Southeast. We service our clients primarily with audio-visual technology, but we also work in structured cabling, telephony, access controls.
Now that we have Acumatica, everything from our intake to our scheduling to our inventory, it's all done from the same location, so it's made everything much more efficient.
So the Acumatica app allows our field technicians to actually interface with the cloud-based system. Project managers and departmental managers can track time and expenses on a day-to-day basis without the technicians actually needing to sit down at a laptop.
For our service technicians that are in the field, for them to be able to access the most up-to-date information, to be able to modify their tickets and input information on the fly, it's critical to what we do.
Acumatica has the ability to provide custom dashboards. I'm able to take a look at where the projects stand, look at projects that are on our horizon in the next 2, 3, 4 weeks so that we can gather materials, assign project managers, and really just streamline our entire process.
Acumatica has given me insight into the service department that I previously didn't have. It's given me a bird's eye view of what's going on in the entire department.
The best thing I can ask for when I work with software is support, of course. And Acumatica to me is what I like to say the Apple and Starbucks customer service type.
We are an engineered technical solutions company. We do repairs in the different plants, refineries, petrochemical, nuclear. We do things such as hot tapping, leak sealing, bolting, torquing, tensioning, fix things that they don't necessarily know how to fix. It's not like we were sitting there with only 10 employees that we were trying to, get going in one location in Houston, Texas. We were 220 employees with turnarounds on the books, with projects coming up. With Acumatica, the scalability is the key for us. We're trying to move to a fairly significant organization over the next 5 to 7 years.
It provides the real-time information and feedback on how projects are going.
Acumatica's complete, connected, and mobile cloud ERP suite helps professional services firms transform their business on a future-proof platform built for rapid integrations, scalability, and superior ease of use.